Hello, my name is Pushpasri, Doctor of Ganesan. My metric number is A174464. This is a presentation for my text dissect assessment. My set number is set 20. My group name is the Sparkers. Topic chosen is a fashion industry affects aspect of beauty standard. Introducing article. My first article title is The Ugly Beauty Standard. What can fashion industry do? And my second article title is How does the fashion industry affect the bodies of young women? My first article author is Zauza, who is one of the editor of Byword Scientific Publishing and expertise in fashion industry journals and articles. My second article's author is Annalisa Cox, who studied business marketing and works in fashion industry as expertise in fashion industry, which makes to write more about the article about this field. My first article website published is here, which is Byword Scientific Publishing, and my second articles is Medium. My first article published date is 30 August 2019. My second article is 23rd of November 2016. Justification. The reason that I choose my first article is that beauty is not to being skinny and makes us to suffer more mental illness like eating disorders and depression, as well as diet pills which can cause bad effects. But the reason that I choose my second article is the fashion industry as a influence women community by giving negative thoughts of body image even in men community too. The author's opinion for my first article is the fashion industry should invest their energy in spreading the different brand of design clothing for different body types. But for my second article, author's opinion is society has been created an ideal body image for women thoughtful various time period, and the relevance of the issue holds a powerful connection to problem facing body images. Weakness and strength for my first article is the idea are presented with enough of evidence. The ideas are explained in form of facts. The choice of words are more simple and understandable. For my second article, the ideas are also presented with the suitable evidence. At the same time, it's like more understandable. The ideas are explained in form of opinion. The choice of words are easier to get to the point. For my both articles, there is not specific weakness that can be stated. Similarities and difference. For my first content, first article's content is the ugly beauty standard is caused by the fashion industry, as people tend to pay more attention being skinny. But for my second article's content is the fashion industry has dramatically influenced the destruction of women's bodies, and society has created an ideal body image. For my first article, the purpose of my first article is to persuade, but for my second article is to inform. As overall, for my first article, tone is concerned. My second article is cruel. This is my conceptual map. Ways to overcome effect of fashion industry toward beauty standard is the title of my conceptual map. First, we're going to see about causes towards beauty standard. Eating disorder because of low awareness. Second cause is ideal body image through television, newspaper, magazines. Third is self objectification. Example, million viewers for video in YouTube about losing weight. Second is effect towards beauty standard. First effect is a mental illusion made by self objectification. Second is plastic surgery, especially in Asia, even they knows risk for their health. Third is depression. Ways to overcome. First is a plus size model used by Pretty Little Things, which is one of the clothing brand in British, which introduced for large size of body. Second, next is a spread different brand and multi design for different body types. Third is a campaign to encourage women, and last is exclusive for all body size. Example, movement in America, which help women to accept their body size with introducing more types of clothing size. That's all from me. Thank you.